Hello everyone. So this is some guides for argumentative or persuasive essay writing. Let's go. Alright, okay, talking about the structure. Okay, argumentative essay is a bit different from other kinds of essay in the sense that it has this extra thing which is counter-argument paragraph. Okay, I bet by now you are all aware that when you do argumentative essay writing, you're arguing on certain standpoint. Okay, you're not going to have like pros and cons of a certain issue. You have to have a clear standpoint where throughout your essay writing, your arguments would be towards your standpoint. All right. So when you receive your question paper or the instruction, please don't get confused. All right. So now for paragraph 1, introduction. Okay, interesting ways to start your essay would be you can use anecdotes or you can use an alarming statistics, for example, or you can use a quote from famous people in order to grab the attention of your readers. Okay, so that's how you start your paragraph. Okay, and towards the end of your introduction, make sure that you have stated your thesis statement. Okay, your thesis statement here, this part. Alamak.